On June 16, George Charamba, spokesperson for President Emerson Mnangagwa, came out swinging in defense of the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Charamba's defense, however, might have done more harm than good. He claimed that allegations of corruption against the commission were unfounded and politically motivated. But instead of quelling the controversy, Charamba's statements have sparked outrage. Critics argue that his comments lack professionalism and transparency, attributes crucial for maintaining public trust. Moreover, Charamba's involvement has inadvertently obstructed ongoing investigations by the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission. By stepping out of his role and into the shoes of the Minister of Publicity, Charamba has raised serious questions about the integrity of the presidency and its commitment to accountability. As this scandal unfolds, Zimbabweans are left questioning the very foundation of their electoral system. Will this be a wake-up call for change, or just another chapter in a long history of political intrigue? Stay tuned as the story develops.